Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to release any fish into the fish tank in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. You need to do this mission or this quest to complete the weekly challenge for the week 5. And then I'm going to show you guys how you can release any fish into the fish tank. Okay, first you're going to go to Fanya and you're going to buy the fish tank. You're going to go to the fishing store and buy the small fish tank or the medium one or the large one. If you already own the fish tank, you can immediately go to your backpack and then place the fish tank in your house. And then I'm going to go back to my house, guys. All right, I'm already at my home and then I'm going to I'm going to place this medium fish tank. You can open up your backpack and then place the fish tank. Wait, let me arrange it first. I'm going to place it here. Okay, done. And then we're going to release any fish to this fish tank. You can click on this fish icon and then you're going to place fish. For the medium fish tank, we can release 4 fishes. Okay, and I'm going to click on complete. And now let's check the quest. Okay, done, and we can claim the reward. Okay guys, and that's how you can release any fish into the fish tank in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!